Have you ever felt that strange moment when you can read English perfectly fine? You can even understand a movie or a podcast, but the moment you try to open your mouth and actually speak, nothing comes out? You know the words are in your head, you know the grammar rules, but somehow your brain freezes. This is one of the most common frustrations English learners face. And honestly, it can feel discouraging. But here's the good news. You don't always need a partner, a class, or even a teacher to get better at speaking. Believe it or not, you can improve your English speaking skills all by yourself, and I'm going to explain exactly how. You see, speaking English is not just about knowing words or grammar. It's more like training a muscle. If you only read or listen passively, your brain is learning, yes, but your mouth and your tongue are not getting the practice they need to actually produce the sounds smoothly. That's why you can recognize words but struggle to say them. So what can you do? The answer is simple. You need to practice speaking out loud every single day. One of the easiest ways is to talk to yourself. It might sound a little strange at first, but it works. For example, when you wake up in the morning, describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth, I'm washing my face, I'm making coffee. Later in the day you can say, I'm walking to work, I'm opening the door, I'm checking my phone. These small sentences may seem basic, but they connect English directly to your daily life, and little by little, your brain starts to think in English without translating. Another powerful method is shadowing. This is one of my favorites. You listen to a native speaker, maybe from a podcast, a YouTube video, or even a movie scene, and you try to repeat what they say at the same time. Don't just copy the words. Try to match the rhythm, the tone, the way their voice rises and falls. At first it's challenging, but after a while you'll notice your fluency and pronunciation improving quickly. It's almost like singing along with your favorite song, but instead you're training your mouth to move exactly like a native speaker's. And here's another trick. Use your phone as your practice partner. Record yourself speaking about any topic. It could be your plans for the weekend, your opinion on a movie you watched, or even a short story you invent on the spot. When you listen to the recording later, you'll notice things you didn't catch while speaking, like small mistakes, unclear pronunciation, or words you repeat too much. This feedback is extremely powerful because you can actually hear your own progress over time. Of course, sometimes when you're speaking, you might get stuck because you don't know the right word. This happens to everyone, but instead of stopping completely, train yourself to explain the word in another way. This is called paraphrasing. For example, let's say you forget the word refrigerator. You can say, the machine where we keep food cold. That way, the conversation keeps going and the other person still understands you. This skill makes you sound more natural and confident, even if you don't know every single word. Something else that really helps is reading out loud. Take a short article, a dialogue from a book, or even a news headline, and just read it out loud slowly and clearly. Reading silently only trains your brain, but reading aloud trains both your brain and your mouth at the same time. You'll notice your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence improving little by little. Now I know what you might be thinking. Practicing alone can feel awkward. You might worry that you'll sound silly or that you're wasting your time. But think of it this way. When you practice by yourself, there's no one to judge you. There's no pressure. You can make as many mistakes as you want and still keep going. This private practice is actually your safe space where you can experiment with the language freely and build confidence before speaking with other people. Improving your English speaking skills won't happen overnight. But if you create these small daily habits, your progress will be clear. Talking to yourself, shadowing native speakers, recording your voice, paraphrasing when you get stuck, and reading aloud. They may sound simple, but when you put them together, they create a powerful routine that strengthens your fluency step by step. So next time you feel nervous about speaking English, remind yourself of this. You already have everything you need to improve. You don't need expensive courses or a native speaker sitting next to you. All you need is your voice, your curiosity, and a few minutes every single day. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and soon you'll notice that speaking English feels more natural than ever.